Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix File Explorer availability status error in OneDrive. So let's get started. First you have to go on the bottom right side and you will see the cloud icon. Once you click on this, you will see the setting option. Click on this and go to the settings. Now a pop-up window will appear of sign and backup. You just have to toggle your photos and videos and screenshots. Uh, this will keep a record in your drive of your photos, videos and screenshot. Now scroll down and go to the advanced settings option. Drop down this menu and you will see the files on demand. You just have to download all the files. Once you click on this, click on continue and this will download your file into the file explorer. It will take a moment and after that your file is downloaded. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the availability status error in OneDrive. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.